In this video, we're going to explore how we can use the array includes in JavaScript. And the array includes basically is a method that helps you to search if a value is included in one of the elements. So it will search within the array values or in the array elements and display if it's true or false depending on if the value or the number or the string is included in that array. So let's start and explore that. But before that, if you want to learn about Chart.JS, check out my Chart.JS Udemy course. You can find the link in the description box. Alright, let's start and explore this. How do we do that? Well, first of all, we are going to add up here, or we will create a constant with an array. And this array will be called, let's say, products, as we have multiple products in this array, and we want to insert all of these here. So let's say we have here milk, we have apple, we have yogurt, and then we can add up here more cheese, fish, and finally salad. And what we want to do here is now create the includes where we can find a certain condition. So what we can do is here is we put in the products and then dot includes with a letter S, and here we state the specific item we're searching for. Let's say we want to know if there's cheese in this array. And now if we would put this in a console log, console.log, and show this, let's save this and refresh here and open up our developer tab to see it in the console log. And you can see cheese is not defined, so let's double check here what's going on. Alright, forgot to put in here a string value because it's a string in this case. Refresh, and now it says here true. So what happens here? Basically, if it runs through here, it will compare every value with the existing value here. So is this included? Yes or no? No, no, no. Then eventually it says here cheese, yes, this matches. So we could do it here as well. If you would see here, it's capitalized letter, it's considered false. And the reason why it's considered false in this case is it doesn't match here because it's not the exact match. The same with this is you could do here, for example, if you have order numbers or purchase numbers. This is probably a more commonly used item where you have purchase number 1, 2, 3, and you want to see if those purchase orders has been inserted. 2, 2, 2, and then here we have 1, 2, 4, 5, and then we have here 100, we have here 200. And if you would search here, let's say we have purchase order, we're looking for number 099, save that, you'll see it's false, and of course if you put in here another value, let's say 1, 2, 3, true. So there will be probably a more practical part, is where you can search, where you get the array with the values of a certain value from a certain category. This could be purchase orders, PO numbers, and search and compare them with each other. So if you like these kind of videos, subscribe to my channel, and if you have any questions regarding to this, put them in the comment section below.